outside your bank account, either savings or current account. Treasury bill is one of the good way you can invest your money for more profitability. Yes, T-bills are short-term debit instruments issued by the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) on behalf of the federal government to finance expenditures. They are considered a very safe investment, very, very safe, and investors purchases them as a discount and receive the face value upon maturity. Yes, when you purchase treasury bill, you will be discounted and your profit will be your interest will be paid to you immediately. Upon maturity, you can decide to have your full capital. With the difference between the return, TB are available in duration like 91 days, 182 days, and 364 days, and can be bought through through bank and other authorized financial institutions. Yes, the duration for the tenure of this bill could be 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and thereabout. That's what this play is trying to explain. And it can be gotten through the banks, yes, and authorized financial institution. These are places you can get treasury bill to purchase. Yes, it's a very good means of investment when you have a lot of fund that you are not doing anything with, just lying fallow in your account. You can invest it through treasury bill and to yield more interest for you. Yes. Key features of treasury bill. Yeah. Issuer. Issuer. Central Bank of Nigeria CBN on behalf of the federal government of Nigeria. They are always the issuer of treasury bill. Treasury bill is being issued by the federal government of Nigeria. That is why it's very safe to invest on. You don't have the fear of my money will be lost. No, nothing like that. Purpose: to raise funds to government, to raise fund for government spending and to regulate money supply. Yes, the reason why you engage in this, like I have said earlier, bank engage in this, sorry, to raise funds to raise fund for government. If you are buying a treasury bill, you are bringing in your money to the bank through to government through central bank, and you will be purchasing that treasury bill where they are going to pay you interest based on what you are giving them. So they can use it to raise more fund, and also it can be used to mop up money from the system. Where there are too much money in the system, they could use it. They usually use that to mop up money from the system. That's why they said to raise funds for government spending and to regulate money supply when there is too much liquidity in the system. Yes, maturity available in 91 days, 182 days, and 364 days tenure. Maturity means the tenure of the transaction. If you are fixing the money, if you are buying treasury bill, how long do you want your money to be with the government? That is what they are talking about. It could be for 91 days, 182 days, 364 days. Yes, mechanism purchased at a discount to the face value and repaid at the full face value at maturity. Yes, depend on the prevailing rate the time you are buying the treasury bill. What they are talking is that as you are purchasing, your it will be discounted and your profit interest will be paid to you. Then at the maturity, then you could decide to say, I'm not doing again. My full capital should be credited into my account. That is what that one is talking about, mechanism. Yes. Returns. Return. The difference between the purchase price and the face value is the investment return on investment. Yes. The interest they're actually talking about. The difference between the face value, what the amount you are using in purchasing the treasury bill, and the interest and the what it will be generating is actually your interest. That's what they are talking about here. Safety, like I have said earlier, is very safe. This is being done by the federal government, is very safe. It's not only that it's being done by individuals, some group of company that could get liquidity problem, and tomorrow you will be they won't be able to refund your money. No, considered one of the safest investment due to being backed by the full faith and credit of the federal government. Exactly, that's what I have just said. Yes. Then how to invest through bank. You can open a TB account with authorized details like commercial bank who may have online platform for purchases. Yes, primary market. The CBN conducts bi-weekly auction for the initial issuance of TB. You are buying directly from the federal government through the CBN, that is a primary market. They just told you that CBN conducts bi-weekly auction for the initial issuance of TBs, and it's always very cheaper comparing when you are buying from secondary market. Yeah, that brings us to secondary market. Secondary market, you can also buy TBs from other investors after they have been issued. Yes, someone can buy directly from the federal government through CBN, and you decide to buy from that person when the persons want to sell. I think this is what we need to know as regard the as far as treasury bill is concerned. It's very important. Minimum investment that you can use in treasury bill. The primary market minimum is 50 million 1,000 naira, which is a bit higher than when you are buying from the secondary market. Before you can buy from the primary market direct from the federal government through CBN, you must have up to 50 million and above. But private platform often have a lower minimum requirement, e.g., 100,000 naira. Yes, if you are buying directly from the government, you have to buy with a very huge amount from 50 million above. But you can buy lesser with lesser amount when you are buying from third party. Yes, tax. The interest the interest earned from TBs is not taxable in Nigeria. If you are buying treasury bill from federal government, whatever you are earning from it will not be taxed. It's your money that will go to you directly. Please invest, follow us so that you know you have all these tips at your heart, at your mind, so that not somebody, no banker will come and bamboozle you and tell you tomorrow that your money should remain in a savings account or current account, that they don't have any means to invest it for you. Please follow Tola Amplifier for more educative teachings like this. Thank you.